Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make bagels out of cottage cheese. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1 egg, and a small pinch of salt. In a bowl, combine these 3 ingredients well. Next, add 1½ cups of almond flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix everything together until a soft, workable dough comes together. This forms the perfect base for our delicious, healthier bagels. Now that your dough is ready, it's time for the fun part, shaping. Divide your dough into 6 equal portions to ensure uniform bagels. Take each portion and roll it into a rope, about 5 inches long, on a lightly floured surface. Then, gently bring the ends of each rope together, pinching them firmly to create that familiar bagel hole. This technique ensures a classic look and even baking. With your bagels shaped, it's time to get them ready for the oven. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. For a beautiful golden crust, brush each bagel with a simple egg wash. You can also add your favorite toppings now, like sesame seeds or everything bagel seasoning. Bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are wonderfully golden and firm to the touch. Congratulations, your homemade cottage cheese bagels are ready. Once they come out of the oven, let them cool on a wire rack for a few minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from becoming soggy. Slice them open and enjoy them warm with a generous smear of cream cheese, avocado, or any topping you love. These delicious, healthier bagels are perfect for breakfast or a snack, and they store well for several days.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.